Hello students, today we will be learning about type of cells. There are two type of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, these are cells which do not have a well-defined nuclear membrane and the nuclear material lies freely in the cytoplasm of the cell. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae. Now, eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are the cells having nucleus with well-defined nuclear membrane. For example, plants and animal cells. Now, let us discuss about the components of cell. The first one is cell membrane. It is a protective layer that surrounds the cell. Cell membrane selectively allow the entry of only some substance and prevent the passage of other materials within the cell. Now next one is cell wall. In plants, an extra positive or you can say extra protective covering of a polysaccharide cellulose is present. This is known as cell wall. It is called cell wall that protects plant cell from environmental variations like temperature, rainfall, cold, thunder, etc. Next one is cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance that present between cell membrane and nucleus. It contains various cell organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, etc. Now, nucleus. It is a dense spherical body located at the center of the cell. It is surrounded by porous nuclear membrane. It contains a spherical body called nucleolus. It also contains thread-like structure called chromosomes. Chromosomes are the important part of a cell. These are the structures that carry genes and play an important role in inheritance. Genes are a structural and functional unit of inheritance. The entire living substance in a cell is known as protoplast. Vacuoles are fluid-filled membrane-bound structure in the cell. In plants, a single large vacuole is present. In animals, numerous small vacuoles are present. The membrane of vacuole is called tonoplast. You must note that vacuoles are the substances which stores food for the plants and animals. The tonoplast membrane is enclosed by a fluid called cell sap. So friends, today we had learned about the components of cell and types of cell. Thank you.